Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm Jacob from uniquephoto.com. Today I wanted to demonstrate how to import your presets into Lightroom. With the new update, Lightroom has made it so much easier to import your presets. This video will demonstrate how to import your XMP presets. Now XMP presets will only work with Lightroom Classic Creative Cloud version 7.5 and up. The standalone desktop version of Lightroom Classic version 6 will not work since the older version of Lightroom uses a different file format for presets. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up Lightroom and make sure you're here at the Develop tab. The next thing you want to do is right here on the left side where it says Presets, you're going to want to click on this plus sign. You're going to click on Import Presets. I have my presets here already opened. You're going to want to click on the first one, hold down Shift, go to the last one, click on it, and then hit Import. So if you notice here on the left hand side, I have all of the presets in there already. Now I'll show you again. You're going to want to click on the plus sign, make sure you're in the Develop tab, click on the plus sign, hit Import Presets. I'll go to a different presets that I have here. Again, you can click on the first one, hold down Shift, click on the last one, Import. And there you go. You'll see on the left hand side that they are all imported in there and can be used. Now if you want, you can always rename it. This one I bought from Manny, so I'll name it to Manny. So that's pretty much it on how to import your presets into the new Lightroom build 7.5 and up. So you can just quit Lightroom and that saves it. I want to thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. There are many tutorials to come. Make sure you turn on notifications to stay up to date with all new content. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below and I will respond promptly. Up to now, I leave it here. Thanks again for watching, and I leave you with this quote from Phil Collins. In learning, you will teach, and in the teaching, you will learn.